Dear students, here we are going to learn sequential logic circuit in which triggered. First of all, we are going to learn what is clock. A clock device that throws the output contains the alter between 0 and 1. The time is takes the clock to change from 1 to 0 and back to 1 is called the clock period or clock cycle time. Clocks are often used to synchronize. It is called one period. Now triggering. Sequential circuits are dependent on clock pulse, the result of flip-flop responding to a of which there are 4 types of type respond to a clock pulse in one of 4 ways: high level, low level, positive edge, and negative edge. Who respond to a clock, it is in the logic high state where it is working on this whole era. It is clock signal, it is 0, it is 1, it is 0. It is called high clock level. Here we are applying clock to a circuit. Now next one, a flip-flop low level triggering. A flip-flop who responding to a clock signal during the time at which it is in the logic low state. It is called logic low. Whole era logic low when it is circuit is active, and here bubble is there in clock. It is called low level triggering. Circuit is active in this low level in this era. Positive edge triggering. A flip-flop who respond to a clock signal during low to high transition of a clock pulse, triggering on the edge of clock pulse. Here, whenever pulses is passing from low to high, so this era will be active circuit. It is indicating by this rectangle in circuit. It is called positive edge trigger. Once again repeating, it is era in which clock pulse is passing from 0 to 1. In this era, the circuit will be going to active. Next, negative edge trigger. A flip-flop who responding to a clock during high to low transition of clock pulse, trigger on this edge of clock pulse. This is called high to low. It is called negative edge trigger, in which clock pulse is here and bubble is also here in circuit. Circuit is active during negative edge. Now next, SR flip-flop. It is a sequential logic circuit. Now we can say we are going to compare gate versus flip-flop. Gates are the building blocks of the logic circuits. Their primary function is to perform decision-making operations. Flip-flop are the building of blocks of the digital circuits. Their primary function is to store the binary bits. Gates are generally used in combinational circuits, while flip-flops are used in generally sequential circuits. Flip-flop are able to store data, gates are not able to store data. Gates are only performing operations, and flip-flop can store data. Now, flip-flop is a bi-state device with inputs that remain in a given state as long as power is applied and until input signal are applied to cause its output to change. There are 4 basic different types of flip-flops: SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, which have single input, JK flip-flop, which have 2 input, and T flip-flop. These 4 are basic flip-flops. First, we are going to learn SR flip-flop, that is set reset flip-flop. Here we have used NAND gate, in which it is applying as a cross couple, in which first gate output of first gate that is input as second gate, and output of second gate that is input as a first gate, that is called cross couple flip flop. It is called R input, S input, and Q is output. Q bar is another output. Here signal R S Q Q bar, R S Q and Q bar, R S 00, R S 01, R S 11, and R S 10. These are the basic of SR flip flop. It is a symbol, it is circuit diagram. Now next truth table of SR flip flop, which we have 4 S R Q N Q N plus, S R Q and Q N plus. Whenever S R 00, at the time Qn will be 0, and second possibility SR 00, Qn will be 1. So in first state it is called indeterminate state because Qn and Qn plus is trying to become 1. That's why it is called indeterminate state. When both are 00, they are trying to become 1. This is called indeterminate state. Next state 0 1 0 1, while r equal to 1 in both these era. So we are going to reset the next state. If qn equal to 0, then qn plus 1 is also 0. If qn equal to 1, qn plus 1 is also 0. That is called reset state, in which once again repeating r equal to 1, r equal to 1, both time qn plus 1 is generating output equal to 0 0. Next state, that is 1 0 1 0 qn 0 and 1, in which s equal to both time 1 1. So you can say it is going to set the value equal to 1 while qn equal to 0, and set the value equal to 1 while qn equal to 1. This is called set state of qn. It is going to set to 1 and set to 1. Now next, s equal to 1, r equal to 1, s equal to 1, r equal to 1, and second time while s equal to 1, r equal to 1, and qn equal to 0. At the time output will be as it is 0. When s equal to 1, r equal to 1, qn equal to 1, as it is output will be 1. It means it is called no change state. It is called no change state, in which output as it is like qn, qn plus 1 as it is like qn. Now clock SR flip flop, which we have used here 4 gates, 1 2, it is called 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 and 4. It is called R dash, S dash, it is called S, and it is called R. It is called clock. You can say we are playing clock from here, enable or disable. You can say the gate SR flip flop. It is basically SR flip flop using NAND gate. It is also clock. Level trigger SR flip flop. The output of SR used to change instantly in response to any change made at the input, but this does not happen when the gate SR latch. For this circuit, the change of this circuit, change in output will take place if and only the clock is made active. Now operations are Questions are going to perform like 0001, 1011 and XX. While 00 to n equal to 0, 0 bar, there is a no change. Clock is high, 0, 1, 0, 0, it means 1 is there, so you can say it is reset. When it is 1, S is 1, clock is high, it is 0, then also set 1, it is called set. When clock is 1, 1, 1, it is prohibited set. It means you can say it is called trying to either 0 either 1, so it is called prohibited. Now while it is low, it is 0 0 or don't care apply, it is no change. Whatever is here, that will be SQ bar. Now synchronize. It is simple. What is, we can say, SR flip-flop. That's, it is simple truth table of SR. While 4 gates are used, and this is truth table. It is 0 S0 R0, no change. 0 1, we are going to reset. 1 S there, reset. Both are 1 1, is prohibited. And when clock is off, no change. Thank you.